I disconnected my battery so that I could change out my spark plugs and coils, and before I connect it back I want to clean up my terminals. They're already pretty clean, but just in case I'm going to go ahead and put some dielectric grease on them, get some of this battery protected by NOCO. We're going to remove any acid or corrosion, then we're going to go ahead and do some battery corrosion prevention, get everything hooked back up. I'm going to start by cleaning off the terminals. I'm going to take this, clean out the inside of the terminal connectors. Both the positive and the negative. Alright. Put that away. I'm going to take the battery cleaner, spray just a generous amount on here. You can see the areas that turn pink are the areas where acid is present. We're going to let that soak for a couple of minutes and then we're going to go ahead and clean it off after the Remove Plus is sat for a couple minutes. You can take a wet rag. Yep. Get the top of that battery dried off. I'm going to use some dielectric grease around the terminals themselves. Go ahead and hook these back up. Shake up the corrosion, prevent it. We're going to spray a decent amount on each one of these posts. And we're done.